like,
In a
share,
valley
and
far
sub.
away, so green, lived a boy with eyes that gleamed. A shepherd he with sheep so white, guarding them from dawn to night. One day he thought what fun it'd be to trick the folks who live with me. He shouted loud, a wolf is near, but none could see the wolf appear. The villagers came running fast, and when they saw no wolf at last, they shook their heads and walked away, wondering if the boy would play. The next day with a mischievous grin, the boy called out the wolves again. Once more the villagers ran in haste, but once again there was no trace. Tricking us all day, they muttered, shaking heads in dismay. But still the boy found joy in jest, as he played his prank with great zest. One fateful night under the moon, a shadow crept in like a tune. A wolf so fierce with glowing eyes crept silently 'neath starry skies. The boy cried out, a wolf, but no one came, not one, not one. The villagers had learned his ways and thought it was another game to play. The wolf so sly with hungry eyes lurked close as the boy did realize that his tricks had led to his despair. For now the sheep were caught in air. A lesson learned but far too late. The boy stood still, heart full of weight. The villagers came with hearts so kind, but not in time, his sheep were blind. This tale be known to all. Honesty's a treasure standing tall. For those who lie will soon regret when trust is lost and hearts upset.
Like, share, and sub.